Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. So, 2 weeks ago, I made a chili recipe and I told you that it goes very nice with a recipe I'll be coming up with 2 weeks later. So here we are, 2 weeks later. So today, I'll be showing you how to use that chili with this dish that is just absolutely amazing. Especially when it's so hot out here. This dish is spicy but cool at the same time. It is very refreshing to have. So it is Soba noodle, which is a buckwheat noodle, which is quite healthy and tasty. We will also pair with some chopped veggie that is also with this chili oil. And then we'll chill the both dishes, and then it's so refreshing to have in this hot weather. So if you like the sound of that, stay tuned and see how it's made. Well, that was the dish. How did you like it? I mean, I enjoy it very much because it was very refreshing and very light and cooling, you know. Great for summer days like this, you know, if you're sitting out in the patio or even just enjoying it on a nice hot summer day out in the park with your friends or family. Perfect dish to have. Easy to take with you, easy to prepare. I guess that's about it for this episode. Make sure you subscribe and like this video so that more people can discover this video, and it will also help the channel out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. Okay, let me know if there's anything in particular that you'd like to see on this channel. If not, the next dish will also blow your mind. Well, stay tuned. We'll see you again. Bye now.